Hello, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. What do Turks drink on cold winter days? This video is about traditional Turkish hot drinks. The first hot drink I want to introduce to you is mint lemon. Ingredients can be dried mint, ground mint in powder form, lemon, orange, half quince leaf, 1 dried clove, black seed, ginger powder, black pepper, honey, purified water. These ingredients are enough for 3 glasses of drink. These ingredients vary according to the person's wishes. Some people just make mint and lemon. I want to share some intricacies in a simple drink like mint lime. First, wash the lemon and you need to peel the yellow part of the skin very thinly. The white parts should not be used to avoid scab pain. Peel the outer skin of the orange in the same way. Pour cold water and mix and add to the strainer, so change the water. Add cloves, grind black pepper, ginger and black cumin. Those who have a sore throat, cough, and cold during flu season definitely make this drink. Especially Nigella has an essential oil. When you use it, crush it and add it immediately. I don't want it to be too bitter. If you want your throat to burn, you can increase the ginger and black pepper. Add dried mint. Cut the ends of the lemon and cut into 2 thick slices in the middle. If you are going to make 1 glass, 1 thin slice will be enough. Too much lemon will be very sour. Cut off the white skin of the lemon. Peel the orange and add. Now you can boil the drink. Boil it over medium or high heat. Add mint powder and mix it. These are the heavily fragrant mints that we collect from the garden and dry and grind. No need to boil the drink too much. Turn off the fire 1 minute after boiling. You can add it to the glass immediately with a small strainer. It is added to the glass bowl to see the color. If you are going to add strained honey, add it at the end. It must be below 80 degrees. It is harmful to add while boiling. You can drink it without adding honey. It will taste sweet when you add 1 orange. Mint lemon is made in this way or by adding other things, we can say according to the materials in the house. Another winter drink I want to introduce is salep. It is very difficult to find original salep powder. It was sold in herbalists, but it is not available now. They said global warming, climate change and unconscious consumption endanger the lineage of orchids. 1,000 orchids are needed to produce 1 kilogram of salep powder. These are Antalya orchids. You can use milk and powdered cinnamon as well as some cinnamon sticks to make salep. It contains sugar, milk powder, starch, lactose thickener and some flavors, so we can say that salep powder is 1 in 1,000. 1 dessertspoon is added for 1 glass to get the desired slightly solid consistency. Add a little cold milk and stir. If there is lumpiness, you can remove it this way. Add 1 glass of milk and boil while stirring over medium heat. If you don't mix, it may stick to the bottom and burn. After boiling, repeat 3 times and the hot drink is ready. Heat the glass and add the hot salep drink. Attention, is too hot, it needs to be drunk slowly. Add cinnamon powder on it and enjoy your meal. There are other beverages we drink in winter. I hope I can show them in a separate video. We have come to the end of a detailed video recipe prepared for you. Thanks to everyone who watched the videos from start to finish and supported me. See you again in a new video. Goodbye.